Meaning of foppish.
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 Foppish. Foppish is an adjective which means someone or something that is overly concerned with their appearance and dressing in a showy or flashy style. It can also refer to a person who is foolish or lacks seriousness. A foppish person might be seen wearing ornate clothing or jewelry, exhibiting excessive or affected behavior, and being self-absorbed. The term fop has been used since the 17th century to describe men who were overly preoccupied with fashion and grooming. Nowadays, it is often used in a negative context to criticize those who prioritize style over substance.